original shepherd's pie, which comes from Scotland, used lamb with a pastry crust. It's basically a really thick lamb stew with a nice mashed potato crust baked in the oven until the crust is brown. So good for my skin. This is the Irish part of the shepherd's pie. So this is leg of lamb meat. What you want to do, take away the gristle, a lot of the fat, and of course the bone. Our pieces for this stew are going to be about 1 inch or 1/2 inch wide. I brown about 2 pounds of lamb in olive oil. Add about 2 cups of diced onion, 2 cups of diced carrot, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic that are minced, 1 cup each of peas and corn, 2-3 cups of lamb broth if you have it, but if you don't, beef broth works just as well. And that's the beginning of the stew. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the mashed potatoes in this big Ziploc bag, because what we're going to do is we're going to use this to pipe the mashed potatoes onto the shepherd's pie. You cut a corner off. Now, you can see how I'm piping the mashed potatoes on. This isn't my final design, but it allows me to make an even layer. And a little topping of some Irish cheddar. And into the oven that goes for 45 minutes at 350 to 375.